Hello, this is Tom Sillis, CEO Wecro.com. The title of this video is Top Earning Cleaning Lady, in parentheses, Easy Money Every Day. And let me tell you, is this lady sharp? That she's one of our providers, and she grabs all the jobs. She does, and the reason why she's doing well, she only does the big houses, so that's probably why. She has a helper that goes with her. They go in and out of a big house. My son-in-law has a big house, 3,600 square feet. Every time they go out there, $250 a pop. Okay, she does like she's in and out in 2 hours. So think about that. You're doing $250, and she does 5 gigs a day. She works from morning and all the way through the evening. She does 5 gigs, $250 times 5. You do the math. That's $1,250 a day. She makes about 37, close to 40,000 a month. But cleaning, you don't make as much as handyman can. But she does a good job. She makes good money, and she works 7 days a week as well. She's saving up for whatever, I guess, to buy a house or whatever she's doing. So now, how does she? Like I said, she does. It's easy money when you do it every day. You're going to make more money. Now, she's the reason why she's a top earning cleaner. She only takes the large jobs that she can make the most money in. Because if you only make 125 or 150. You're not going to make as much money. Obviously, you can only do so many jobs. So, now, unless you're very fast, ideally you're going to be good and you're going to be fast. You're going to do a good job, because if you don't do a good job, you're not going to have the customer anymore. And we do have subscription services, so you can sign up with us with Wecro.com. We have predefined services. The customer finds us. They pick one of the 3 types of homes. We do standard deep cleaning. And the deep cleaning is a lot more expensive. She specializes in that. She gets a lot of those jobs, so that's why she makes more than the $1,500. I kept thinking, where did the other money come from? Well, that's the deep cleaning. So that's what and then she does some jobs on weekends. She'll do the move-in, move-outs, and she'll bring a helper, and they're very fast. So what they do, she brings one of her kids to help out. I don't know what she does, but I don't ask, but that's what she does, and she gets the job done quickly. She does 5 jobs a day. She makes close to. She told me she makes over 45. Well, yeah, because I did verify her earnings. It is over 45,000 a month. So, sorry about that. Okay, so she's our top earning house cleaner, and that's what I'm trying to tell you. You gotta be creative. You gotta go after the money where the money's at. Okay, you got to earn top dollar. You got to be willing to. If they want you to do something else, you got to charge for that. We allow you to do that. And then house cleaning profits. We talk about that. To make your job profitable, you got to be fast. You got to be clean. If they want you to bring your own materials, you got to get good at finding a good source for cleaning materials where you bring your own stuff. Make sure your equipment is good. The mops, they get old, replace them. Don't go in there with a dirty looking mop. That looks horrible. And the customer doesn't want you to clean the floor with a brown mop. It doesn't go well. So it's stuff like that. Use common sense. Dress professionally. Don't dress like a slob. You want they're going to see you sometime. They're going to be home some days, and you're going to see them. They're going to be there. Well, they're going to be home when you're working. If you look like a pig, well, they're gonna change cleaners very quickly. That's what happens. I mean, I've had it happen. So don't do that. This lady's very smart. She's very personable. She treats the customers with respect. If she picks up, if there's like clutter around, she picks it up. Doesn't complain about it. She just does it. That's what she does, and she makes a lot of money. And she has a helper, and she has another crew that goes out and does other jobs. She has people that she pays that she can rely on. She's good at what she does, and she can make. She just started that, so only last week. So far so good. She's going to make over 60,000, I think, this month. So she's resourceful. The Brazilian ladies are very resourceful. They do that. So that's it. I hope I answered all your questions. I hope I didn't miss anything there. And then Wecro will help you out as well if you do that, or you can use the door hanger method, where you go out there and put 300 door hangers out in the expensive neighborhoods, and people call you. Make sure you answer your phone, get your phone answered, and start making money. That's it. Have a good evening. Thank you.